Please tell me that you feel the same. You ain't the same girl that I met the other day. Always tryna break my heart and put me through the pain. I just can't be with a girl who drive me this insane. Just because it worked for you, don't work for me, you know that. Heart is all up on my sleeve, I show that. You stay talented.
What's the most fun ways that your girl named Cole back on another video? So as y'all read by that thumbnail title, we're gonna be slinging this synthetic wig, okay, period. I don't do many hair videos, even though I should, because some of y'all be like, we need hair tutorials and makeup tutorials, okay? But I got y'all. So my cousin got this wig, but did not know how to install it, so she gave it to me, even though she already cut the freaking lace off of it. And you know, you can curl this hair. This hair is synthetic. It's called grooming. Okay. You can curl it, you can perm it, dye it. Okay. It's a 13x4 frontal lace wig closure. And I just hope you two don't hear the music in the background playing, because I don't got time. So here is the wig. How many inches is this? Because it does not say. It does have a Swiss lace. So we're gonna take it out. So as you can tell, it is synthetic. Up close, you can't really see the fibers from on the camera. Okay, you can a little bit. You guys see those fibers in it. Okay, this is what the inside look like. You got little bands. Oh, it has a band. As you can see, okay. So, I already got my hair braided down underneath. And I was trying to find a topic. This looked like a little, what, 20 something? Yeah, it's giving 20. But, I was trying to find a topic to talk to you guys while I install my wig, but I'm probably just gonna fast forward, but I don't know, y'all. So I already got my hair braided underneath, so yeah, I'm gonna see y'all, because y'all ain't finna talk about my little ass head, period. Okay, so we finally got sis on. I was struggling a little bit, but I'm really upset that my cousin chopped the lace off of it, because I really wanted to create some baby hairs. So I'm finna I don't know what the hell is up with the band. Like, does the band go in the front or the back? Because at this point, I don't know. But I'm finna take some adhesive spray.
Y'all gonna have to put Mo in.
So we finally got this motherfucker on. And to be all the way real, this motherfucker smell a little fishy, and I ain't doing it. So it gotta be there, because every time I blow dry, I just get a whiff of fish, like, you know. So, alright y'all, so got sis on. I plucked her down a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna style this, okay? Do my baby hairs first. And they are a little thick right now because I couldn't, this is a little dull, so I couldn't even see, trim it how I want to, but we finna see how this finna work. I usually start with the sideburn side first. Okay. So I'm gonna just swoop all this to the side. I hope these baby hairs ain't thick, but we just gonna trust the process. Y'all, so I just had like a little mini breakdown because I was just gonna quit YouTube. I'm just tired of uploading with y'all motherfuckers and y'all not watching. So I'm gonna push some of these back because we don't want no thick ass edges. So I'm gonna put some of that back. Some of y'all like to swoop it all the way up and shit and bent and all that extra. I'm gonna just keep it, you know, nice and simple. Y'all gotta remember this is synthetic hair, so I can only make it do what it do. I'll do that later. Just let that chill. Boom. I'm gonna work our way to the next piece. We're really gonna swoop this back as well. Hold on, trust the process now, trust the process.
Y'all gonna have to put more in.
Boom. Bada boom, bada bam. It's giving the girls what it's supposed to give. Okay? So then we're gonna move over to the other side. Okay, sis, we getting somewhere. Okay, then we're just gonna do this side the same exact way. And then I will see you guys once I'm done with the baby hairs, and then we're gonna style the wig. Alright, y'all, so we got the baby hairs slicked. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is style, but I'm gonna tie my hair. I'm gonna tie my hair down, my edges down while we style, okay? Alright, let's see what they got going on. Okay, so I think we're gonna go with the side part. Yeah, we're gonna do that one. Working way to the root. Okay, so as you can see, this already has like a U part. So I'm just gonna, I think it's the deepest the part goes. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, if you have this wax, this is what you do with it, okay? So the first thing I do is melt my hair. So when I reveal the baby hairs and everything is just so slick, you know. It's giving slick beam, no worries, okay? This wax will be your best friend. And then I just go underneath because I do like my hair to have a little oomph in it. So, sorry if y'all can't see me, I'm over here looking in the mirror. So I just go underneath just a little bit, just to give it a little volume. But then I lay this part flat as well. So once you apply that, you can take either a hot comb, a flat iron, or a wand curler. I usually use a wand curler. But then you just go in and lay that boy flat. You hear me? Y'all see that? And it gives it a little shine too. So then I just go underneath and do the same thing as well. Okay. And then on top, we're just gonna lay the top flat. So if you wonder how females get that flat look, like I said, sorry, I'm looking in the mirror as well. This is how. That flat, shiny, slick look, this is how. Especially this is good for slick ponytails as well. Not like black hair on me. Purr. This hair feels so good. Like for it to be synthetic, it feels real as fuck. Like I ain't even gonna cap. Now I was gonna give the girl some curls, but we're not gonna do too much since it's our first time putting heat on the hair. So we're just gonna give it a little Oh my god, this hair feels so soft, especially when you straighten it. Like it gets like bone straight. And also guys, you do not want your flat iron to be too hot so that it does not leave like flat iron marks in your hair or around the hair. Okay. I'm just gonna straighten this all around and then I'll be back with the finishing look. Alright guys, so this is the final look, okay? And let's not forget that this wig is synthetic, okay? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it, okay? But yeah, so I went ahead and did my makeup a little bit just so I can give y'all, you know, a little cute little session with the hair. But overall, I give this wig about a honestly, I would give this wig about an 8 because I love the way it straightens, okay? I love that you can literally do like side part, middle part, or bring the part to this side as well. And then it's just, I really don't like black hair, okay y'all, so it's just me trying to get used to this black hair for me, but overall, it's a look. It's giving what it was supposed to give, okay? Or maybe I gave it what it was supposed to give, but overall, okay? I can turn around for you guys. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bells. If you guys want me to do more hair reviews or more hair videos, let me know. Because I'm trying to figure out what type of content you guys like. But overall, it's a look for me. Maybe once I put my clothes on, I'll feel, you know, bad or whatever. But I'm gonna keep this in for a few days, okay? Okay. Baby hairs didn't turn out too bad. They look thick, but it's all good. And that completes today's video. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment down below if I should do more hair videos or whatever. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Yeah. Anywho, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like I always say, be blessed, stay blessed, never stress. And yeah, if you want this hair, I'm not sure what the website is because like I said, my cousin bought this wig from the beauty supply store. Oh, okay, so this is not free promo. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know just because I did not purchase this wig online. But if you go in your beauty supply store, this is the kind of hair that you would want to look for. Or if you want to order this online, it's www.rnbwigs.com. This is where you can find this. And it comes in all colors, curly, straight, everything you need. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. I got another video dropping today, so just stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Because I gave you 1 second